Blay pi barot na kalyang kadudashin ken rasilong ipdang subhai pi shikatup kubo mentaga janmiat shaban page kubo kibubnya ini pechwai kimat bekongsan. Weng ulampang ya kajing keno mukul sangma halo kajing adai pedang umin tirang ba bat genong kai drugs barat ba. Kular ukonrat sangma banwanra ikijing kela hagajing traikam jong ke MPSC hadian kajing mudui halo ka jing slam hagajing tungkam. Ai jingmut unong elam kaliang persya banwanra ya ke IMS Institute ha Meghalaya. Bat pendamno UDC ya ke jingyo jingbet na ke KHDC ban pelong ya ke jingye kop kwai doka ha West Khasi Hills. Kikubo kibabnya ulampang ke yang dorba tawan ke jela Thomas sangma ne ke sngi ulapa wengno naki kentien balabu jingtho ya ke jingkren jong unong elam ke liang persya na ke seng AITC u Dr. Mukul sangma ka bakeno ba umintri rang ba u konrad ki sangma udon ka jingyeju ejan bad uwei naki snar nong khai drugs barat ba na Mizoram namar ka liat persya iki kendon jong ke yeng abashim benta ha ke sngi balai jong ka jingshong dorba sanrai usumbut mintirang ba uba preston tingsong ulawanra ya ke point of order abai dei bat keni keman naga jubab u Dr. Mukul sangma ulaong ba shim la keno AA hendai ulamaham yo mintirang ba banlong uba husiar bat ongru ba ka dei ka kamram jong ka office jong mintirang ba ban kemi benya ya keni.
If it is not, how did you know that the person who was once upon a time associated with the Honorable Chief Minister just because of clicking a photo cannot be considered as a human being?
On the 23rd of April 2013, long time ago, and the person concerned happens to be associated with the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya. That's why suggestion has been made. It's not an allegation. It's a submission urging the Chief Minister to be careful to dissociate himself from being associated with this kind of people.
Menteri rang ba ke jelau konrad ki sangma nen ke sngi ulokular banwanra ya ke jingkela ha ke rukom traikam ha ke Meghalaya Public Service Commission lani MPSC halo ke jing dawa ban pendukno ya ke personal interview na ke benta ke grade 4 aba ai jubab halo ke jingkeli belawanra ado MLA ke UDP u nujor ki sungo ha ke ying dorba tawan usang ma ulo ong namar ba ke sorka ke don ya ke jing temu banwanra ya ke jingkela ha MPSC kala don ka jing slam ha ke jing tungkam.
So I would like to request the Honorable Chief Minister to kindly examine this matter as soon as possible and make sure, sir, that our state also will abolish the personal interview for grade 4 so that we can ensure that there is no nepotism and favoritism for the job recruitment.
So the objective of always giving an interview option is to be actually given option where we are able to look at the overall other qualities of the concerned individual, the PR skills and the way they are able to manage things. And therefore the written exam is a very black and white process.
Unong elam kaliang persya uba Roni Lingdo na keseng Kongres ne kesngi ula ai jingmut bat pensngau ya ke jing don kam bandon ke IMS Institute ha ke jela. Aga kenta keli jing keli uba Lingdo
why Meghalaya has not written so far to upgrade Negrams to aims like institutes of
Negrams, in all probability, it will have as many facilities. It would expand shortly. You must have seen the Ayurvedic Niyas just next door. And there is going to be a state-of-the-art oncology department with very high-tech facilities for radiology and other kinds of facilities. However, since the tag AIIMS means a lot to patients in general, just to inform the Honourable Member that the former Health Minister, the Honourable Chief Minister, is well seized and informed of this matter.
Unong elam keseng AITC belong tengru Menteri Rang Ba Berim ke Jelau Dr. Mukul Sangma habakren halo ke jingmi jong ke Jakarta Trade Call Center bela penya IBAN dikiriu Shimet Hagawati ulaong bakalong ke bakongsan ya baro bantip ya kum kinu ki jat jing hikai la ai hakatai ke center la ki long ke biadai bat ki kam bean shu ulaong bakadon kam banwat ya ki nong seng jong ke ke center om mi ki samla ki batrei ya ke kam.
Is being employed in this kind of call center, which is designed to actually engage in criminal activities, like what you see in the case of that case which was busted in Guwahati recently, and the similar thing which happened in 2017 in the state of Meghalaya in Shillong itself, which also had its little bit of branches elsewhere. So.
Menteri Rang Ba ke Jelau Konrad Ki Sangma ulah peliang sengubha ya ke jing pelat ya ke Women Reservation Bill ban mang kerpang lai pulai nak shispa ki syuki ha ke dorba Lok Sabha bat ki yeng dorba Tauan ki Jela da ke boong bakane ke long ke lenti bekrau sya ke jing penkup bori ki kentai hakari.
As a matrilineal state and as an individual who believes in women empowerment, I am very happy about the bill as an individual, and I welcome the bill, and I'm sure that this will lead to a very positive, strengthening and representation of women in the parliament and in the assemblies. And of course, as a state also, it's something that I'm sure that the state as a whole will be also acceptable, because it's one of the few states in the country that believes in socially empowering women by means of having a matrilineal. It's a part of our culture.
Deputy Commissioner jongka West Khasi Hills District uba Garrett LSN Dykes ula pendam no ya ka jing ai jingbit da ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ben pelong ya ka jing ekop khwai hapo ka district. Ya ka ni lale hadian ka jing khlat no jong ikhlung badang shukha na ka daw jong ka jing deheng kali melajia na ka jing ekop khwai hanong spung ka badon hajan ka snong pampernai shu UDC ula pentep ru baki board district ila ujor da ka sumuto habaya dei bat kani.
The District Council Affairs Department trong comment clear telah revoke ia ketukuna keputusan jong the District Council Khasi Hills Autonomous Council keba I permission untuk fishing competition ia baru ki permission keba council telah ada keran with immediate effect and until further orders kata gue kapal lomba lor ke jingjiang ada point ya ke judicial inquiry pat keling USP sim sumoto ya ke case.
Director General Jongka Border Security Force Unitan Agarwal ulit jingo ke Meghalaya Frontier BSF aga kat kandai bat arpotrik unailur ban lum jingtip halo ke jinglong jingman jong ke jing pahara ya ke kaput India bat Bangladesh. Agane ke jinglit jingo UDG ulayo sngau ya ke jing be kendo aga tain kaput bat kilat kilenti bela shim be dei bat ketai ke benta uniu sipai Rang Ba ke BSF ula pleru ya ke Officers Institute ke badon haga headquarter jong ke BSF Frontier ha umpling. Mentai nya khmi ke jinglong jiman jong ke swimming Shillong. Kajing shit kalong apsau point lai degree Celsius but kajing kriat kalong kat real point new degree Celsius kajing skam kau hau kalong kandai puwen shispa menstep but new pran shispa jan miet kelak bandon kajing hap slap ba malu mala ha bon teli ki jaka syaban poi syek bekut jong tup kubon ya pet biang sa asian ya kini kimat bekongsan Weng ulampang ya kajing keno umukul sangma lo kajing adai pedang Menteri Rang Ba bat unong khai drop barat ba Kularu Konrad Sangma Banwanra ya kejing kela ha kejing trikam jong ke MPSC hadian kejing mudoi halo kejing slam ha kejing tungkam ai jingmut unong elam kaliang persya Banwanra ya ke IMS Institute ha Meghalaya bat pendam no UDC ya kejing yo jingbit na ke HDC ban pelong ya kejing ekop kwai dok ha West Khasi Hills District Teparlok dah kitu kubor ila poisi bekut jong ni ketup kubor jing mentaka janmiet hado ban shem pla shai sngi ha ga jo ko po khbe shi boni phi baro